dear graphic designers, gather around. This little-known feature will allow you to create written step-by-step tutorials automatically. As you probably already know, Photoshop is always tracking your edits. You can see what Photoshop is tracking by going into Windows and choosing History. The History panel will show you all the edits you have applied to your image. The problem is, you can only see the generic basic steps without any details. Even if this list was detailed enough, you can't export it as text. So if you want to track all the steps you have made along all the settings used and keep it as a separate text file, you can enable the Historylog. To do so, press Ctrl-K to bring up the Preferences window from the History and Content Credentials tab. Enable the Historylog checkbox. Under the Save Log Items to, you can decide where to save the written steps. We'll save the text within the images itself. Text file will create a separate file with all your adjustments, and of course, both will do both. For this example, we'll save it all in a text file. Then, name your text file and decide where to save it on your computer. Now, decides what to keep a record. Choose Detailed to get as much information as possible. Now, apply any adjustments you like to your image. When you open the text file Photoshop created, you will see all the adjustments you made, including the settings you used. This feature is helpful if you dedicate to keep a record of your edits for a client, for legal purposes, or to simply remind you of the changes you applied to a photo. You are welcome for my channel, and subscribe for more tips.